What's going on? This is Charlie from Xclusive Autoworks. Today we're having a little video on ceramic coating.
So for this car, it's a brand new vehicle. The guy didn't want to do a full two-step correction, so what we did was called a gloss enhancement. Just a really quick polish by to clean up the surface of the paint. And it's getting our CQuartz UK treatment. It's a coating that's going to last up to 2 years. It gets 2 coats of this. In between coats we had about an hour. Other than that, jump into it. So while applying the ceramic coating, you want to apply it to your satin applicator. Right here, I have attached to a block to make it easier to grip so you're not just trying to play with satin. Applying even coats, overlapping ever so slightly. Let it sit for a minute, depending on temperature. You have to let the coating flash off the vehicle. You could tell, you're giving it a look. You can tell if it's flashing. Once it starts flashing, give it a nice wipe down with a microfiber rag. Wipe all your streaks away. Definitely helps to have paint correction lights, makes it easier to see. Give it a nice firm wipe to make sure you're not leaving any residue behind. You leave residue behind and it dries, you get what's called high spots, in which those have to be hand polished off. Not a big deal, but definitely
All right, so the ceramic coating is completely finished on this car. It looks great. You can see in that last clip, the water just beads off, which is great. So that just shows you that the car is going to stay a lot cleaner for longer as opposed to not having the coating. Because everything just kind of bounces off and you have a little layer of protection.
Break my monitor.
So that's going to be the end for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And don't forget to share Xclusive with your friends, family. Share it on social media. We'd really appreciate that. But yeah, we're going to have more videos coming for you guys soon. And we'll catch you in the next one.